which is rounding decimals to the nearest 10 thousandths. Rounding a decimal is a technique used to estimate or approximate values. Rounding is commonly used to limit the number of decimal places. We can round decimals to a certain accuracy or number of decimal places. This is used to make calculation easier to do and results easier to understand when exact values are not too important. Okay, so to round a decimal number, there are certain steps to follow. First, underline the digit to be rounded. And then look at the digit to the right of the place being rounded. Number 3, if the digit is 4 or less, like 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, the underlined digit remains the same. It is called round down. If the digit is 5 or greater, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, add 1 to the underlined digit. It is called round up. Okay, after rounding, drop all the digits after the underlined digit and copy all the digits at the left. So let's have an example. Round 7,286 hundred thousandths to the nearest thousands. And this is the number. Again, underline the digit to be rounded. So the thousands place is 2. Okay, so tens, hundreds, thousands. So 2 is the thousands place. And then look at the number at the right of the rounding digit, which is 8. So 8 is round up. Okay? 8 is round up, meaning you are going to add 1 to the rounding digit. So 2 becomes 3. And then after rounding, drop all the digits at the right and then copy all the digits at the left. Like that. Okay? So our answer is 73 thousandths. This is our final answer. Okay? Let's continue with example number 2. Round 29 and 8,492 ten thousandths to the nearest tenths. Okay, let's write the number. And then underline the digit to be rounded, which is 8. Because 8 is in the tens place. And then look at the number at the right of the rounding digit, which is 4. So 4 is round down. Okay? Round down. 4 is round down. Meaning to say, we'll just copy the rounding digit below. So 8. And then what will you do with the number at the right of the rounding digit? Just drop. And what about the number at the left of the rounding digit? We will copy. Okay, so bring down 29. So this is our final answer for number 2. The final answer is 29 and 8 tenths. Okay? It's practice time! Round off 38 and 92,746 hundred thousandths to the nearest tens, ones, hundreds, thousands, tens. Okay? You'll be given 15 seconds to answer each item. And timer starts now for number 1. The answer is 38 and 9 tenths. Number 2. Timer starts now. The answer is 39. Number 3. Timer starts now. The answer is 38 and 93 hundredths. Number 4. Timer starts now. And the answer is 38 and 927 thousandths. Number 5. Timer starts now. The answer is 40. Okay, let's proceed to letter B. Round the following numbers to the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, so number 1, again, you'll be given 15 seconds to answer each item. So, timer starts now for number 1. The answer is 6 and 850 thousandths. Number 2, timer starts now. The answer is 2 and 1/10. Number 3, timer starts now. The answer is 63. Number 4, timer starts now. The answer is 30. Number 5, timer starts now. And the answer is 6 and 894 thousandths. Number 6, last number. Timer starts now. Okay, the answer is 41 hundredths. What have you learned today? Decimal numbers are numbers in between two whole numbers. It represents a part of a whole. A decimal has two parts, a whole number part and a decimal part. These parts are separated by a dot called the decimal point. It is read as end. Place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number based on its position in the number. The value refers to the worth of each digit depending on where it lies in the number. It is the product of that digit holding the decimal place and the value of that position. How to read and write decimal number. Read decimals from left to right like whole numbers. The digits to the left of the decimal point are read as a whole number, and the decimal point is read as n. The digits to the right of the point are also read as a whole number, after which we say the name of the place value of the last digit. How to round a decimal number? To round a decimal, first underline the digit to be rounded. Then look at the digit to the right of the place being rounded. If the digit is 4 or less, like 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, the underlined digit remains the same. It is called round down. If the digit is 5 or greater, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, add 1 to the underlined digit. It is called round up. After rounding, drop all digits after the underlined digit.